Beef Katsu Curry is another popular Japanese curry dish served over steamed rice and topped with panko-fried beef katsu. It's a delicious and satisfying combination of two beloved Japanese dishes rolled into one. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare the curry. Grate carrot finely and slice onion thinly. There's no need to add a lot of chunky vegetables, just onion and carrot, and they add sweetness to the sauce. Cut the thinly sliced beef into small pieces. You can use any cut of beef here. Just cut into small pieces as the katsu is the center of the dish. Heat the oil in a heavy pot and cook beef until lightly browned. Then add the onion and cook until onions are tender. Add some water and grated carrot. Bring to a boil, cover, and lower heat and cook for 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and add the curry roux and let it dissolve. Turn the heat back on and cook for another 10 minutes and keep it warm. Next, we make the beef katsu. Poke the steaks all over with the tip of a knife and pound the meat with a meat tenderizer. Sprinkle some salt and pepper on both sides. Next, we are going to coat the meat with all-purpose flour, dip in a beaten egg, and then cover with panko breadcrumbs. Heat deep frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and deep fry the crumb-covered meat, turning once or twice. Fry until the color turns golden brown and the meat floats in the oil about 5 minutes. Set the meat on a cooling rack for a minute, then cut the katsu into strips. Serve some steamed rice on a plate, top with beef katsu, and pour the curry sauce over. Beef Katsu curry takes some extra work, but it's a wonderful dish to make for special occasions. With its double layers of beefy flavor and the harmony of crispy and saucy textures, it's a true comfort food worth the effort.
美味しい。美味しいね。